If you ever need to add additional documents, let's say underwriting comes back with more requests, you'll head into your borrower's loan flow and you can click anywhere in the row here. Then over to the right, you'll see a cluster of blue buttons. You'll want to click into this first one that says Add New Doc. In this section, the most common documents you'll use will probably be this first row of 4, and then off to the left in the second row. So the first one is Floify esign. This allows you to send anything to your borrower that you need e-signed, or anyone outside of Floify. It's free and proprietary, and it works similarly to other e-sign platforms. You'll just include your name and category. If this is a one-off doc request, you'll just upload your standard PDF here. You want to make sure you check this box below that says you're not using an existing template since it's a one-off. Or you can choose from a list of templates. You can add signers if you have a co-borrower or someone external such as a donor. Then click Add. Next is the one-off doc. This is something that's very specific or unique to this borrower, like a letter of explanation or gift letter. And if it was a gift letter, for example, you could name it that. Description could be, $75K from grandma. And then you can choose how you'd like your borrower to respond. They can upload a document or choose to acknowledge receipt. Let's say you have a do's and don'ts list that says, don't open a credit card or buy a car. You would just attach that here. Then click Submit. Third is template docs. And this is your library of documents, all things that have been templated in your account. To access the entire list, click this All tab, and you can choose any of these documents to add to the loan flow. You just check the boxes on the left, scroll down, and then click the blue button. Fourth is borrower question. This allows you to ask your borrower a question in Floify so your team can see the question and answer. It works like an email, but it comes through as a PDF as a doc request. It's nice because it allows the correspondence to stay in Floify, which is great, especially if you don't want a bunch of emails getting buried in your inbox, for example. It will show up as a doc owed for your borrower. Once they respond, it will move to docs pending review. And perhaps you might want to know, what is the cash for your refi going to be used for? And the last one is completed doc in the second row to the left. And this is useful, let's say your borrower emails you a document, you can scan and upload it into Floify. And what's nice is that you can choose where you'd like to send that document. For example, if somebody still needs to review it, you can send it to the pending bucket. If it's good to go, you can send it to accepted. You can also choose the visibility. If enabled to make manual requests, other integrations will also appear here. For example, you can run credit.